In this second video of our series on NEM 3.0, we will review the 5 components of the Enphase comprehensive offering. First is the SolarGraph software design tool. SolarGraph makes it quick and easy to optimize the size of the solar array and battery system for maximum financial benefits. We use microinverters in both the IQ batteries and with the solar system, which eliminates the inverter as a single point of failure in the system, and has many other benefits including minimized impact of shade on performance and superior safety of AC wiring. The modular IQ battery system has small building blocks of 3.3 or 5 kilowatt hours, so you can perfectly size the battery for your customers' needs and optimize the system for maximum savings. You have the option of a backup power system or a simple low-cost grid-tied battery without backup capability. This configuration will likely require a smaller battery and will provide the shortest payback period for your customer. With the new Enphase power control technology, you can install extra solar and battery power without the need to upgrade the main panel, which helps keep the project costs down. The Enphase energy management software will optimize buying energy from the grid and selling energy to the grid to maximize savings. In conclusion, the Enphase comprehensive solution includes SolarGraph software design tool, microinverters, a smart modular battery which can be configured for backup power or grid-tied operation, power control system to avoid main panel upgrades, and finally an energy management system designed to achieve a high bill offset, short payback period, and healthy return on investment.